si Sam. Hi, Sam. Sam.
Sam, ba't ang dami mong QR code? Anong meron? Bye-bye. Samahan ng mga walang friend.
Oo.
Mga walang permanent.
Hello everyone, welcome back sa akin channels and I'm Janwin D. Paredes and I'm with
Today, we are at our school. Our school is private part.
private school.
Oh my God, they're dancing. Go Jay, go Jay, go Jay.
Gagong hirap
Number 1 fan. Hey, you.
Ay, Tiberes.
Bang. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Hey. Happy birthday. Wait, kami gumawa ng school work sa buhay. In my life as an SPJ student with BFF.
Ay, sarap.
Today, we are introducing our aesthetic door. So here it is. It's so aesthetic because we have this.
300 million. So private.
Yeah, our school is private. We're going to get some nothing, okay?
Pogi dun.
Okay, we saw someone who's handsome
Pogi na lalaki dun. Sampay.
and he's
Coming
I
na.
feel like he's gay.
He's coming na. So, akin na siya.
I feel like he's gay.
It's
No, it's yours. It's yours, Wayne.
No, I don't like other people than my sister.
Look, there's like Wayne.
Nakita ko
Follow my IG. It is Lucky_Nin. Yeah, because I want to be famous when I grow up. I want to be
same. Follow nyo na lang ako.
Ang pogi talaga na asawa ko.
So,
Wag ka na spoiler.
doesn't define us to be more competitive.
Grades define us, okay? I don't know what they are playing, but yeah.
Sila. Nakita na ano yan. Hi, it's so hot, right? Ito ang itutours na wala yung phone ko. So, dito po nawala. Dito ako pumasok nun.
Daming tumakbo. Nahulog yung phone. Sorry, guys. Yes!
Hindi rin na magtusok-tusok na lang daw kami. Okay. Babe, pinapalabas na kami. Pangat sa ugali niya eh. Pwede bang ikaw na lang kumuha sa akin kasi love language ko ako of service. 18 pesos. Ay, 18 pieces. Ay, be.
Pesos. Isang 10 pesos.
Order kami ng 3 pieces of Jollibee. Jollibee fishball. Kain mo na kami. Malamang namang unahin ko kayo.